2001 Mercury Grand Marquis. I used to have one of these cars too. It was white though. I think mine was a 2004. But anyways, it's got 4 catalytic converter on it, factory, which are like overkill in my opinion. But you know, that's how they come. Then it's got a factory H-pipe. Then what we did, muffler delete on both sides. And then it's got the dreaded tailpipes that take all the sound away with all these bends. And it's got 2 resonators, one here and one here. There's the other tailpipe. And there's where we deleted the 2 mufflers, there and there. There's the original mufflers that came on. They look like, I don't know, barbecue grills, kind of. But that's what they are. What do you guys think? Tell us what you think in the comments. How you like the sound of it and the look of it. I think it looks phenomenal. I hope you guys do too. Again? Sound decibels again? Around 94, not too bad. You'll hear it more when you get on it, you know? Sitting still is not that loud. It's not bad though. For a Grand Marquis, dude, you can't beat it.
Yeah.
But it's also got 2 mufflers in the back. They're called resonators. They take some of the sound away too. So that's the next thing. If you want them cut off, that's the next thing you need to cut off. If you want them louder. What do you guys think? Let us know. Not bad for a muffler delete. It's not bad. I like it.
2008 Mercury Grand Marquis 4.6 liter V8. Has a stock catch there. And then we true dual straight piped it with Flowmaster Flow FX in the middle. If you want them, you can check the description below, with stainless steel tailpipes coming out the back. Oh yeah. Came all the way from Gary, Indiana. We want to say thank you.
Alright guys, we got a 2003 Mercury Grand Marquis 4.6 liter V8. Got 4 factory converters on it. There and there. Then it's true dualed. Somebody else did the work. He was too loud or too quiet actually. Had some knockoff Flowmasters on it. We took them off and put some glass packs in their place. There and right there. Then it's got tailpipes there and there. And we fixed it, he hit a pothole. So we put him a sleeve right there too. And then it's got factory 3-inch pipe out the back. I mean, not factory. Aftermarket tips there, 3-inch out the back, right there and right there. We added him new hangers, just fixed it up for him. It was kind of hanging and stuff. There it is. There's the knockoff Flowmasters though. We took off right there. They didn't sound good at all. Now it should sound a lot better. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Is that perfect? Those your tailpipes are good though. Use them and abuse them. You got another like 3 to 5 years out of them. The only thing I would change is the tips. Again? It sounds good. Here's sound decibels. Got that pop to it. I like it. Again? Yeah, it's not bad. You don't like it?
I like it.
All right, cool. If you don't like it, we'll change it.
No, leave that alone. When I get on the interstate, I'm really gonna hear that. Yeah. That's how I want it. I'm going that way.
Man, that sounds sick. I like it. Yeah, it sounds like a machine gun. Old school Grand Marquis, baby. Let you guys hear it on the inside. Mercury Grand Marquis with glass packs. AP glass packs. It's like cherry bombs, but cleaner. Oh yeah, baby. Can't even let it too loud. That's perfect. All right, guys, we got a 2000 Mercury Grand Marquis 4.6 liter V8. Classic, but still golden. Even the color is gold. Old is gold, my friends. Anyway, it's got factory converters there, 4 of them. These cars come with it. Then it usually goes into a single. We cut that out and true dualed it, 2 1/4 all the way back. He didn't want it too loud, so we put 2 vibrants on it, there and there. Part number 1792. Be a link in the description for them. Then we added a tailpipe on the other side, reused his tailpipe on this side, and put them some 4-inch Marauder tips out the back to complete the look, as you guys can see right there. Came out absolutely beautiful. Let you guys hear it in a second. And like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. There's the muffler. There's where it wires into a single before, right there. There it is after. Came out a lot cleaner, a lot nicer. Yeah. Oh, that's perfect. What do you think? Deep? Get on it, you hear it. Oh, that's nice. Once those, watch when the vibrants warm up a little bit more, that crack will. Oh, that's nice. Here's sound decibels. Again. 112. Again. Put them to 18-inch. There'll be a link in there. They're 4x18s. 2 1/4 inch. That sounds clean. We have initiated the beast. I'll let you guys hear on the inside. There it is at idle, guys. Just clean, quiet. Mercury Grand Marquis GS. Mercury Grand Marquis with a vibrant setup. Out with the old, in with the new. He wanted it clean, not too loud. We got it done for him. Enjoy, guys. Unleash the beast. 2007 Grand Marquis Mercury. Really nice car. I love these cars. They're so comfortable. They've got 4 catalytic converters, 2 on each side, 2 there, 2 there. Then what we did on it comes usually a single right there. You see it in the background all the way at the end. We true dualed it all the way back. This side and this side, right there and right there, like always. Then there's the tailpipes, and you wanted them out the sides instead of out the back, which I like too. It's a nicer look right there and right there with double walled stainless steel tips. They come out really clean looking on them, as you guys can see right there. There's the other side. And this is what I was talking about. It comes into a single where we true dual it, that white pipe right there. We cut it right before there. That's how you true dual these. And there's the muffler. There it is. Hope you guys like it. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. And like always, please subscribe, because that helps us keep going and making more videos. Oh man, that sounds good. Oh yeah. Exactly what you wanted? Yeah. There's a nice pop, you know? Oh, that sounds so good. Again? There's sound decibels again? Bro, 113, that's awesome. Gotta back it up. Give that Grand Marquis some style. Give it gas. Again. Oh, it sounds so good. He's got some 22s he's putting on it too. Because of the winter, he stopped. Let you guys hear on the inside. Grand Marquis 07. True dual, straight pipe. You put any kind of muffler on these, it quiets it down way too much. The only thing that we've seen that actually doesn't give it, takes all the sound away, is the Flow FX or the MagnaFlow MagnaPacks. If you guys want it more deep and subtle instead of raspy. But you hear that rasp. It's got a nice idle to it. Come get you some. Hope you guys like it.